Hey guys, this is Bye Bye Money, and welcome to my live trading journal with live commentary, scalping the E-mini using only one single setup, the two-legged pullback. If you know what the two-legged pullback is, simply it's a pattern that's like this. First pullback, first entry, second pullback, second entry. We like to enter into the second entry right here. We also can identify this by A, B, C pattern, and the next A leg, we like to enter right here. Why do we look for the setup? Well, it's because the market loves to move in twos. Since the market feels more confident after the market makes a second attempt at something, we like to enter in with the market. So for instance, the first entry here, the market likes to wait for the second entry, for the second attempt to reverse. So it tries to reverse here, and for the second attempt, it feels way more confident, especially if it's in a key area such as a support resistance level or moving average, trend lines and channels. For instance, if we look at the chart here, we have a two-legged pullback right here, and I'll adjust this to match. And so we can see with this two-legged pullback at the top of this trading range, made by the trading range indicator that we're currently developing at twoleggedpullback.com. We see that when it hits the top of this trading range, that with a two-legged pullback, it is enough to make a scalp and even more. We can also see a two-legged pullback. When we hit the bottom of the range, you see we have a two-legged pullback right here. And on the second attempt up, or second entry, we enter right here. And so this is a trading range automatically created by the trading range indicator that we have. And so that is currently not released, and we are still testing it and making sure it is fully tested before releasing it. So we can see that within this trading range that we were able to scalp out from the top and also the bottom. Also, if you see in the screen, there's a bunch of numbers above and below the candles. This is a two-legged pullback indicator at www.twoleggedpullback.com that you can get there. It automatically identifies second entries and also traps. Also counts legs for you and has alerts and a bunch of other features. But if you like more information about that, you can check out the official website. If you like more information about this setup, you can check in the description below, and there's more information on how to count legs and identify second entries and traps. That's it for the introduction. And if you like this kind of content, please make sure you hit that like button and subscribe. It helps us out a lot, supports the channel a lot. Stick around for the live trades, and I hope it's helpful. And as always, happy trading and God bless. Pull back, enough room to the bottom range. Continuation of trend. Stopped out, but came right back to the bottom of this range. As you can see here, created by the automated trading range indicator. Another two-legged pullback. See? Hit the 4-point runner. I got more, but I was too busy drawing this trend or this two-legged pullback for you guys. wedge here. Two-legged pullback. Terrible single bar. Like that. That's a wedge, two-legged pullback. Only reason I take that is because we've been in trading range so long. Banking on 20 more bars. Banking on a failed breakout. This is a strong downtrend, but the trend has essentially been neutralized by this trading range. Now we did the more unlikely thing, breaking down the wedge. Looking for a trap here. Double top. Skunking this if I can. This is 2x reward. coming out with 1x. Didn't like the looks of this alternating bear bull bars.